Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired farmhouse decor is a warm, nostalgic interior style that blends old world charm with rustic farmhouse comfort. It looks as though the home has evolved over generations, filled with time-worn pitches, soft colors, and cozy lived-in details. What defines vintage-inspired farmhouse decor? Age and time-worn beauty. This style celebrates imperfections, distressed wood, chipped paint, rust metal, and faded finishes that tell a story rather than looking brand new. Use a soft neutral color palette. Think creamy whites, warm beige, soft gray, muted shades, dusty blue, and gentle pastels. These colors create a calm, airy, and inviting atmosphere. Vintage and antique elements use old trunks, enamel art, iron beds, earthen cabinets, antique mirrors, messengers, and flower market finds are key features. Rustic farmhouse furniture use solid wood tables, farmhouse benches, open shelving, ladder racks, and apron-front sinks. Bring a practical rural feel. Use natural materials like wood, linen, cotton, jute, iron, ceramic, and stone are essential, keeping the space grounded and organic. Use cozy lived-in textiles like layered curtains, patchwork walls, crocheted shelves, ticking strap cushions, and green silk fabrics add warmth and comfort. Handcrafted and functional decor use breadboards, vintage crates, wire baskets, old skulls, pictures, and farmhouse sign are both decorative and useful. The overall feeling. Vintage inspired farmhouse decor feels warm and welcoming, nostalgic and timeless, simple yet soulful, comfortable, not polished. It is perfect for anyone who loves country living, antique charm, cottage warmth, and rustic elegance, all in one home. The philosophy behind vintage farmhouse style. This decor style is rooted in simplicity, practicality, and nostalgia. It reflects rural homes where items are passed down, reused, repaired, and loved. Nothing feels staged, everything has a purpose and a past. Color physiology and layering. Vintage farmhouse colors are soft and calming, never harsh. Core tone, warm white, ivory, and cream. Use oatmeal, linen, and grays, soft gray, and mushroom. Accent shades. Use shades green, olive, dusty blue, faded navy, muted blush, pale mustard. Tips. Use tone-to-tone layering, multiple shades of the same color to create depth without clutter. Furniture details that matter. Furniture is sturdy, honest, and character-rich. Farmhouse tables with turned legs use dressers repurposed as bathroom vanities. Hutches with glass doors for dishes. Slip-covered sofas for a relaxed look. Avoid sleek, glossy finishes. Matte, chalk-painted, or raw wood work best. Styling through everyday objects. In this style, decor often comes from Functional items. Use enamel bowls, jugs, and pitchers. Use wooden dough bowls filled with greenery, or egg baskets or tuna crates. Antique skills and braid boxes. The key is intentional simplicity, not excess. Textiles and soft layers. Textiles bring warmth and softness. Use linen or cotton curtains, grain sack or ticking strap pillows, handmade coils and straws. Use crocheted or lace table runners. Slight fading or wrinkle are welcome. They add charm. Lighting soft and atmospheric. Lighting should feel warm and nostalgic. Use messenger pendants, iron or brass candelabras, or sconces with candle-style bulbs. Table lamps with linen shades. Use warm bulbs only, never bright white. Nature as decor. Vintage farmhouse homes feel connected to nature. Use olive branches, eucalyptus, cotton stems, giant flowers or wheat bundles. Use potted herbs in the kitchen, wooden planters and clay pots. Even chatterbox greenery works if it looks natural. Walls, floors, and architectural touches. Use chipnut, bedboard, or tongue and groove walls. Whitewashed or white plank wood floors. Use exposed ceiling beams. Vintage frames, mirrors, and botanical prints. These elements add authentic farmhouse character. Room by room personality. Kitchen. Use open shelves, vintage jars, and apron sink. For living room, use sleep covered setting and layered rugs. For bedroom, use iron bed, soft linens, antique nightstands. For bathrooms, use pedestal sink, glass jars, wood accents. Each room feel collected, not decorated. What makes it timeless? Never trend-driven. Mix of old plus simple new. Embraces imperfections. Feels warm, calm, and welcoming. Vintage-inspired farmhouse decor is about comfort, heritage, and heart, not perfection. The soul of vintage-inspired farmhouse. This style is about quiet beauty and everyday comfort. Homes feel gentle-aged, never forced. Each piece looks like it has a story, found, inherited, or lovingly reused. It blends farmhouse practicality, vintage nostalgia, cottage softness. Materials and finishes, very important. Authenticity comes from materials that age gracefully. Common materials use reclaimed or weathered wood, cast iron, galvanized metal, stoneware, ceramic, and terracotta, linen, cotton, burlap, and wood. Finishes distressed, whitewashed, and chalk painted. Patina, rust, on-aged, matte in a state of shining. If it looks slightly imperfect, it is perfect. Furniture styling rules. Furniture feels solid and familiar, never trendy. Mix printed and draw wood pictures. Prefer curved, joint, or curved details. Use furniture that looks repurposed. Avoid matching sets. Variety adds charm. Example: an old dresser used as a console or coffee station. Layering without clutter. This style uses layers, not overload. On main statement pitch per area, supporting items in different heights. Open space between objects, repetition of similar texture. Think clump collection, not decoration shelves. Windows and soft light, shade or cafe style curtains. Use linen tie bags or simple jars. Light filtering fabrics only. Natural delight is a key element. It keeps the home feeling fresh. Decorative details that feel right. Small touches create big impact. Antique books stacked horizontally. Vintage frames with botanicals. Handwritten labels on jars. Old keys, clocks, and fretboards. These details should feel personal and unpolished. Seasonal styling the farmhouse way. Instead of changing everything, simply add natural accents. For spring, use fresh flowers and light linens. For summer, use greenery and open shelves. For autumn, try to feed baskets and warm tones. For winter, use quads, lanterns, soft lighting. This keeps the style timeless year round. How to avoid. To keep it truly vintage farmhouse, high gloss finishes, overly modern shapes, bold neon colors, too many side or Vadat, factory perfect decor, less polish equal more charm. How it makes a home feel. Vintage inspired farmhouse decor creates a home that feels peaceful, welcoming, warm, familiar, comfortably lived in. It is the kind of a space where you want to settle down, sip tea, and stay a while. The core identity of vintage inspired farmhouse. This style sits between rustic farmhouse and soft vintage cottage. It avoids extremes, never too rough, never too delicate. It values history over trends, comfort over perfection, function over excess, patina over polish. Every space should feel gently edged, calm, and emotionally warm. Oud tones and green harmony. Oud is never uniform. Mixed light, medium, and dark oats. Visible grain and notes are desirable. Rough plus smooth textures together. Avoid orange or overly red stains. This creates a collected over time look. Furniture scale and proportion. Vintage farmhouse furniture is slightly oversized, low and crowded, comfortable and appreciable. Avoid thin legs or sharp modern angles. Curves, turned legs, and thick tabletops feel right. Textiles storytelling. Textiles quietly tell the home's story. Use linen for softness and breathability, cotton for everyday practicality, wool for warmth and heritage, lace and crochet for nostalgia. Learn different webs, not patterns. Organic imperfection. Nature is essential but understand it. Use dried botanicals over bold floors, herbs, olive branches, and wheat. Use ceramic or clay containers. Asymmetry over perfect arrangement. A little wildness feels authentic. A storage that becomes thicker. Practical items are visible and beautiful. Use baskets under benches, crocks holding utensils, wooden crates for books, open shelves for daily dishes. Nothing feels hidden or staged. Emotional design. Why it works. This style succeeds because it feels safe and grounding, encourages slower living, connects past and present, aged beautifully over time. The home becomes more charming, not outdated. True vintage inspired farmhouse rule. If a space feels calm, warm, and familiar, you are doing it right. Vintage inspired farmhouse as a living style. This decor style is not fixed, it grows with the home. Features are added slowly, often replaced, repurposed, or repaired. The goal is a home that feels lived in, not deserted all at once. Think of it as quiet storytelling through objects. The balanced triangle. Key design principles. A successful vintage farmhouse space balances three elements. First, old vintage for antiques, patina, and history. Number 2, rustic farmhouse used the old sturdy forms. Next, soft cottage, linens, gentle colors. If on dominates, the space loses harmony. Patina first color strategy. In a state of matching colors should look naturally faded. Use white should feel creamy, not red. Green should resemble herbs, not pink chips. Blue should look washed by time. Brown should feel earthy, not glossy. A color should look paler, slightly orange. Craftsmanship over trends. This style respects handmade character, is visible joinery, uneven edged, hand-drawn pottery, hand-woven textiles. Much product items can work, but only if they look honest and simple. Furniture with a past or the look of one. Furniture should appear inherited, found at a market, repurposed, repaired over time. Design trick. Even new furniture can feel old, with muted colors, classic silhouettes, and natural materials. Why designers love this style? Vintage-inspired farmhouse never feels outdated, ages beautifully, feels personal, works in small or large homes, transition well across seasons. It is one of the most emotionally comforting decor styles. The golden rule. Your home should feel like it remembers things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.